What a wild story to kick it off today. It's almost unbelievable. I was joking. I said, Willie Doo, you done did it this time. That's what I said earlier. I said we just hit peak Willie Doo.
Yes.
2019 and before, ever before. 2018, 2017, forget about all those years. It's peak Willie Doo in 2019 and beyond.
This was a new high, yes.
Yeah, so Willie Doo hit it big in a number of ways. I don't think we can discuss all the ways right now, but we do have this one piece of evidence that we have hit peak Willie Doo. This piece of evidence right here. That's how you know. And the people won't remember at this point. Some people might remember. The OGs, day one type of guys.
Yeah.
Might remember. But for everybody who doesn't, this is an iPhone box.
He's holding an iPhone
with
box.
a specific sticker on it, by the way. Okay, 56542, some tape on the back, and a smell to it. It smells fresh. Now, an iPhone box would normally smell factory fresh. This one smells fresh out of the shower, which is very strange. So I'm going to give you the backstory. Right now, everybody's confused. I'm going to give you the backstory, all right? So a while back on this show right here, the show you are watching, we covered a story about a Michigan couple that was trying to buy an iPhone for their daughter who was in desperate need of a phone. And they met up with this individual from the classifieds trying to buy a used iPhone. And instead of getting a used iPhone, they got this box and what's inside it. And what's inside this box, Willie Doo, is two bars of soap, okay? All right, you understand? One bar is Dial soap, and the other bar is Jergens soap, all right? So just to be clear, just so we have a visual on that. There you go. This is the real box, and Willie Doo, if you scroll down, you'll see, or maybe they would scroll up. There, that's the box. You had it already.
Yeah.
This is the exact box that was used to scam. So when the story happened and we covered the story, just kind of freestyle in the moment, I said, listen, if anybody involved in this case can get in touch with me, this scam that took place, then I will send over an actual iPhone for the daughter. I think it was an iPhone XS. Was that what it was, Will, that we sent?
The XS? No, the
we sent the 11.
The Pro?
We sent an 11 Pro. Okay.
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah. So we had an 11 Pro here. We sent it over to make up for the fact that the individual got scammed for the soap. And because we had covered the story, it seemed like the right thing to do if it was possible. But we didn't know who to get in touch with regarding what had happened. So a few of our viewers, a few of you guys watching, actually kind of connected the dots, figured out how to get in touch. And next thing you know, we've got an address for this right here. This is some real stuff happening right now. This is the police department in Allen Park. And I just want to give a shout out to Jim Thorburn, a detective at Allen Park Police Department. This is his card, which was in the box. He facilitated the whole thing. He helped us out. He's who you got in touch with.
Yes, very polite.
Very polite individual. And of course, we said, we're going to send this iPhone out, but you got to send us the soap. As you would if you were us.
Trade, right?
Just to complete the full circle deal. And obviously, I guess we just wanted to take a rough situation and brighten it up a little, right? You turn a scam into something slightly more fresh. If you go on to read the story, there's a couple things that happened to this poor family. Not just the scamming for the $450, which was a big number for them. It was a big amount of money to get scammed for. There was other stuff going on with them, some troubles they ran into. And so when sometimes, Will, it just works out. Mm-hmm. And in this case, it worked out. And so we had to complete the story here in the show. It only makes sense. We got to give the shout out to Jim Thorburn because we couldn't have done it without him.
Yeah.
Because this immediately verified to us that he could get the real device to the person from the case.
Yes. Probably from the evidence locker or something.
And get us this back.
Yes.
From the evidence locker, send the soap. So now this is some serious Lou Later memorabilia. Mm-hmm. It's amazing. Exactly like the picture. I mean, the box with the tape, if you look at the tape on the box from the image from the original case. No, the little, on the other side of the box there, Will. See that? Look here. Look here. It might be overblown.
That's the one. It's
exactly the same. So we know for a fact. Shout out Jim Thorburn. I mean, you're doing good work out there. It's crazy. We got the phone to the person. Small town, Allen Park Police Department. It's incredible. Well, and shout out to the Lou Later viewers because, like I said, people start tweeting immediately at me. What if we go to the police department? It was a lot of ideas.
Yes.
It's incredible. It all worked out. It's an internet story for the ages. Mm-hmm. And the soap is now ours forever. And the iPhone is for the 14-year-old, and it's wonderful. Okay, beautiful. Just wanted to cover that. We had to follow it up. It actually happened. I didn't think it would. It actually happened.
Yep.
It's incredible. And when I saw this show up, I was like, Willie Doo, you did it, man. You pulled it off. It's crazy. Peak Willie Doo.